Here's a quick video of this morning. You know, the pup first time experiencing snow. Yeah. As you can see, they kind of was hesitated at first, but you know they seem to kind of do their normal thing. Yeah. So, Bella, Cash. Try to leave them out for like a couple more minutes, and then probably will take them back inside and feed them. It's a little bit dark. I don't know if you can see them, but it's a little dark. Just playing around. Make sure they, make sure they use the bed. That's one before. I was gonna let them run loose, but I'm kind of in a hurry today, so maybe later or so when I get home. First time experiencing the snow. I got them on the rope so that so they won't run loose. They get excited and then they don't listen. Plus I'm kind of in a hurry to go, so I wanted to make sure that they take a poop before I go and feed them. But it's a snowing day, first day of snow today at and where we're at today. It's not really that cold, though, but it's actually just letting the puppy out to experience the snow. Let's see, he's already digging up the snow over there already. Bella, she's observing. Playing in the snow, and I'm sure they will want to build a snowman. Good girl.